Okay, we are 6 months out from a hair transplant. What do you think of the results?
I couldn't be happier. Feel like a new person. The hair started coming in a few weeks after the surgery. I just feel like a much younger version of myself, and just very excited about the outcome.
Did your hairs fall out before they came back in?
Maybe a little bit,
Not
but
really. Okay.
nothing significant.
Just to clarify for people out there, most people are probably shocked to hear when something is growing in a few weeks, because usually it takes about 7, 8, 9 months for it to grow. The reason I'm surprised too is that only a small percentage of us people have that grow that fast. But the reason why is the ATP that we use in about 20% of our patients, the hairs don't fall out, they just start to grow, and it grows super fast. Although when we're looking at 6-month results, I would say almost everyone is getting a pretty decent growth by that point. But with the ATP, some people just start growing like super crazy fast. So that's great news. Tell a little bit of why you wanted to have this procedure done and how you found us and all those things.
Well, just I've come into my 40s and hair's starting to fall out a little bit and hairline receding a little bit more than I would like, and just wanted to look a little bit younger, so thought this would be a good route to go. And I heard about you guys from a couple different people. One, my dermatologist, who recommended a few people, and I talked to a few different people, but ultimately felt the most comfortable with you.
That's great. And another question is that, has anyone even noticed that you had a hair transplant?
Oh, yeah.
What do they say?
Yeah, my kids, my parents, who I see, maybe twice a year. I just saw them over the holidays, and they're like, "Oh my gosh, I can't believe how much younger you look, and full head of hair." And
how about people you work with? Do they even know?
I'd say there's been they see me every day, so
it's hard because it grows out slowly.
Right.
Usually, what I find is it's only like parents or immediate family that know, but other people just think you look better and they have no idea why.
No. I would agree with that. It's the people that I don't see very often who are like, "Whoa, you look like your hair is a lot healthier than it was last time I saw you."
How was the recovery?
It was fine. I mean, I'd say the first 2 weeks, required a lot of maintenance, and there's a little bit of soreness that needed to play its way out. But not too bad. I'd say after a few weeks, it was pretty unnoticeable that anything had really happened. So not bad at all.
We're going to do just a close up, and just to show you, people always are concerned of how natural it is, but you can see that these are all grafts, and they're 100% natural. You cannot tell these from non-grafted areas, so it looks really, really good. So awesome. Okay, thank you.
Thanks.